Happy holidays from Enable Education. 2024 has been an amazing year, with even more award-winning e-learning projects, technology development, and really amazing partner successes. I just want to talk about a few of them. SDN Pros. We partnered with SDN Pros to create Cloud Wars, this amazing game-based learning experience to teach network architecture. It combines interactivity, real-world scenarios, and we tied it all together into their ecosystem, including their LMS. This helps make sure that SDN Pros stays ahead with innovative, optimized training solutions. Oh, hello hair. We're so proud to have supported them to enhance their course design and content development for their really groundbreaking natural hair care education program. Led by Anita Grant, Hello Hair has received widespread recognition, being mentioned in Forbes, and had a huge success on Dragon's Den. They won 2024 Business of the Year and Women in Toys Licensing and Entertainment Awards. Pittsco Education. We're so proud to have been working with Pittsco since before my kid, who's now in grade 9, could walk. Together we've worked towards some really cool science and career tech education experiences that I can't wait to show you in 2025. CWB Group, another client where our history goes back more than a decade. We've been supporting the digital transformation of welding inspection, certification, and training, and tying it again all into their LMS ecosystem. Brant Community Healthcare System. Working closely with them, we've developed engaging e-learning courses on DEI topics like cultural humility, bias, and allyship. The content features animated and instructional videos, interactive elements, and quizzes. We also partnered with the Ontario Chamber of Commerce to create micro-learning modules for small business owners on AODA, transitioning to a hybrid workplace, and risk management. Again, delivering engaging content with multimedia, great assessments, and visually rich videos. First, another super long-standing partnership. We've been working with First for well over a decade. And our latest collaboration produced 15 micro-learning courses designed to empower school district leaders, administrators, and educators with the essential knowledge they need to implement FIRST robotics programs. By transforming client content into really dynamic, interactive learning that features multimedia and assessments, the experience for educators and mentors was first-rate. NGen. Enable Education partnered with NGen to develop bilingual project management courses for its members, covering collaboration, risk management, and more. The courses feature instructional videos, interactive elements, and assessments, ensuring engagement as well as skill-building learning experiences in both English and French. And this is just a sampling of the many, many things we worked on this year. I'm just so proud of the team and our partnerships. I wanted to thank everyone in our ecosystem for an amazing 2024. Wish everyone a safe, happy, and restful holiday season. And I'm so looking forward to continuing in 2025. Bye for now.